Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Are you looking to kickstart your online journey? In this video, I'll guide you through the process of buying a domain and hosting on GoDaddy. Whether you're starting a website, blog, or online store, I've got you covered. So let's dive in. First of all, you have to open the web browser on your mobile device and go to the GoDaddy's official website www.godaddy.com. Now to start, type the domain name that you want into the search bar on the home page. For example, if you are creating a car page, you might type something like myhypercar.net. Once you have typed your desired domain name, click on the search option. And if your domain is available, you will see a confirmation. You can also explore alternative options like .net, .org, etc. or similar name if your first choice is taken. And once you have found the perfect domain, click on Add to Cart option. Now let's choose the hosting for your website. For that, firstly you have to click on the hamburger option, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. From here, click on the option of websites and hosting. Now from here, you have to search for an option saying web hosting and simply click on it. Now you will be redirected to this page where you have to click on the black option which is at the bottom of the screen saying see plans and pricing. GoDaddy offers multiple plans like starter, economy, deluxe and ultimate. Pick the one that fits your needs depending on your website size and features. And once you have selected the desired hosting, click on the Continue to Cart option which is at the bottom of the screen. If you're buying both domain and hosting, GoDaddy often offers discounts for bundling them together. Look for those offers during checkout. It's a great way to save money. And once you have reached the checkout page, GoDaddy may suggest additional features like domain privacy, professional email, or a SSL certificate for security. These are optional, but they can enhance your website. Choose the ones that you need and proceed. Once you have selected your domain and hosting, click on the option saying I am ready to pay. From here, you have to put your billing informations in order to pay for the website domain and hosting. Once you enter all these credentials and click on save, the next step is to pay for your website and domain. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.